Ağlayan başım yapsay başım kakudar. This is another installment on the powers of the chariots. This is Job 33 and 22. Yeah, his soul draweth near unto the grave, and his life to the destroyers. Now, we know that Yehovah Shem Hashai has chariots to discipline both the wicked, or brought it down in Ezekiel 21 and 4 a couple times earlier. This is Revelation 14 and 14, just so you can understand. And I'm going to make it clear as we go along. And Revelation 14 and 14, and I looked and beheld a white cloud, and upon the cloud one sat like unto the Son of Man, having on his head a golden crown, and in his hand a sharp sickle. So what's that synonymous with? Okay. Just so you can look at the destroyer right there. See? That's what Esau thinks of when he has a destroyer. Let's see. Let's just see what comes up. Oh, with the sickle. Oh, shit. Right it is. Right it is. Sickle. Ooh, look at this one. Right here. This one's fantastic. I prefer this one. Oh, man. Look at this one. Beautiful. I mean, you gotta appreciate those weapons. See what this man's doing? Matthew 13 and 30. So I just wanted you to see what a sickle looks like. Now, let me put this image in your head. Because he should have a sickle. And he has a sword. Oh, dang, this one's good. Come on, that was a good one. See you. That's a sickle. And who has that sickle? Well, he doesn't necessarily look like a skeleton. But I just wanted you to see. And there's other images. See, he has a sword on this one. So let me go back over here. See, I like jigsaw puzzles. How do you do jigsaw puzzles? First, you get the box. It's nice, and you can see the picture. It's organized, and then you open the box, and you throw the fucking pieces on the floor, and it's a big mess. Let me make this mess clear. Job 33 and 22. Yea, his soul draweth near unto the grave, and his life to the destroyers. Who's the destroyers, alright? Revelation 14 and 14. And I looked, and behold, a white cloud, a chariot. That's a chariot for those brothers that don't know. And upon the cloud one sat like unto the Son of Man, having on his head a golden crown, and in his hand a sharp sickle. That's one of the angels. Alright? We have time. This is what Esau sees as a destroyer. Look at all these ships. The U.S. John S. McCain, USS Sumo, USS Laffey. They're all ships, okay? So Job 33 and 22 tells you about the destroyer. And Revelation 14:14, now let's go back to it. So pointed out, a white cloud represents a vessel. When it's in an angel's cloud, like right now, it's a UFO. It's one of these, I mean. Come on, man. Alright, it's that. That's a white cloud. This one's perfect. See? Yeah, that's a chariot. I like them like this. Alright? That's a chariot. Isaiah 19:1. The burden of Egypt. Behold, Yahushua rideth upon a swift cloud, and shall come into Egypt, and the idols of Egypt shall be moved at his presence, and the heart of Egypt shall melt in the midst of it. Why? Revelation 1:7. Behold, he cometh with clouds, that he is Yahushua Mashiach, and every eye shall see him, and they also which pierced him, and all kindreds of the earth shall wail because of him. Even so, be true. Now, why are they gonna just, we just told you right now, who's riding on that cloud? Okay? The Lord rideth upon a swift cloud. There's your swift cloud right there. Let's get a little closer. Yeah. That's the destroyer right there. So this is, so you can understand, this is the destroyer of what Esau got from the scriptures. No doubt he got it from this. And then that is a sword, the angel carrying a sword. And to let you know, put it in your head, you know, how Bashem Yahushai sends it from. Revelation 14:14, and I looked, and behold, a white cloud. The word behold is like a window, like looking out through the window. You're going to see it, and you're going to be amazed. When you look out your window, let's say you're doing your dishes, and you're looking out the window, you're like, oh, wow, it's a really nice day out there today, or oh, it's raining, or whatever. You make an observation. The white cloud represents the chariot, the destroyer, and upon the cloud, the angel that's on the cloud, having on his head a golden crown, and in his hand a sharp sickle, to destroy. Oops. I got it. Let's see. Ezekiel, what was it? 21:4. And I'm gonna just wear this one out. Wear it out, man. Ezekiel 21:4. Seeing then that I will cut off from thee the righteous and the wicked, therefore shall my sword go forth out of his sheath against all flesh from the south to the north. All flesh from the south to the north. Right there. His sheath, his sword, that's his sword, okay? So with that I'm going to say, Kal Halalim, like Bashem Yahushai, Bashem Makakwadash.